Here I've got Nokia 5.1 and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open list of all applications and go to the settings. Then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick system. Then open advanced options and click on reset options. Now you will notice reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, simply click on it. And if you truly want to reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, click on reset settings. Now confirm it one more time, as this operation cannot be undone. You just have to be 100% sure that you want to do it, and if you do, click on reset settings. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.